Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson. Today we will learn two easy words. They are must and have to. Don't worry, don't worry, they are very easy. They are very easy. At the end of this lesson, you will never confuse them again. Let's start. Are you ready? I'm also ready. Let's start. First question, look at these two sentences. I must study English. I must study English. You know, I have to study English. Many students ask, teacher, what is the difference? Good question. To be honest, good question. The answer is very simple. The answer is very simple. Must. First, let's learn must. Must mean it is very important. Now imagine something. Imagine something. You are my friend. You are my friend. I look at you and I say, you must sleep early. You must sleep early. Why did you say that? Because I think sleeping early is important. The idea comes from me. Nobody told me. It's my opinion. Another example, you must drink more water. Did the government tell you? No. The government tell you? No. Did your school tell you? No. I am telling you. I am telling you. It's my idea. So remember this. Must my idea. Must my idea. Let's say it together. Let's say it together. Must my idea. Again, must my idea. Very good. More example. You must study. You must listen. You must listen to me. You must exercise. You must exercise. You must help your partners, your family. I like this sentence. You must be kind. Every sentence has the same meaning. I guess this is important. Have to. Now, let's learn have to. Have to also means necessary. Necessary, necessary, necessary. But now the idea isn't from me. Isn't from me. Is not from me. The idea comes another person or from the situation. For example, you have to go to work. Why? Why? You have to go to work. Why? Because. Or I have to go to work because my boss says you must come. If I don't go, maybe I lost my job. So this is not my choice. Another example, I have to wear a uniform. Why? Why? Because the school made the rule. Not me. Not me. The school made the rule, not me. One more example, I have to pay for electricity bill. Why? Why? Because The law says you must pay it. The law say, not me. Not my idea. Remember, so remember this. Have to another person's rule, say it together. Have to another person's rule. Excellent, my students. Easy story. Let's imagine two people, Ali and Jolin. Ali says, I must lose weight. Who decided? Ali. So you use must. Now Jolin says you have to lose weight. Why? Because his doctor said, you know. Okay, let me think. Okay, you are sick. You are ill. Now, it is the doctor's rule. So, we use have to. Easy. Let's compare. Let's compare. Sentence number 1. You must study. Who thinks it? Who thinks it is important? Me. Sentence number 2. I have to study. Why? I have to study. Why? Because tomorrow I have an exam. Exam. Okay. Or because my teacher gave homework. Can you see the difference? Must my idea have to outside reason, my student. Okay, let's another sentence. Must imagine this. Today is Sunday. You have no homework. Nobody tells you to study, but you say, I must study English. Why? Because you think it is important. The idea comes from your heart or your brain, you know. The decision comes from your mind. Nobody forces you. It is your own decision. That's why we use must. More examples. You must exercise. I must save money. I must save money for my future. I must stop eating junk food. I must call my grandmother. Every sentence shows a personal decision. Have to now imagine another situation. Tomorrow you have an English exam. Let me think. Your teacher says, study tonight. Now you say, your English teacher said. Now you say, I have to study. Why? Because of the exam. Okay. Did you understand? Sounds great. A trick, imagine this. Touch your head. Say. My brain now say must. Why? Because the idea comes from your head, your brain, you know. Now point outside. Say have to. Because the rule comes from outside. Not your brain. Not your brain, it comes from outside. This trick helps many students. Negative from, now be careful. Now be careful. This is very important. Look. You mustn't smoke. You mustn't smoke. Why does it mean smoking isn't allowed? Is not allowed. It is forbidden. Now, another sentence, you don't have to smoke. You don't have to smoke. Does it mean smoking is forbidden? Now, it means you don't need to smoke. Big difference. Big difference. Look again, mustn't now. Don't do it. Don't have to, it's okay. You can do it. You can also not do it. Both are okay. Both are okay. Questions. Must I go now? Yes, you must. No, you don't have to. You don't have to. Do you have to work tomorrow? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does she have to study? Yes, she does. She does. No, she doesn't. Very easy. Very easy. Look at me. That is very important. The golden rule. If the idea comes from you, use must. Very easy, use must. If the rule comes from someone else, you have to. That's it. That's it. Really. English studies thinks this grammar is different, but isn't. Just remember, must my idea have to outside the rule. If you remember these two ideas, you will almost always choose the correct one. Do you have any question for me? If you have any question for me, you can ask me. I just want to teach you more examples, Just listen to me. The golden rule. If the idea comes from you, use must. Very easy. If the idea comes from someone else, use have to. That's all. That's it. Really. Did you understand this? I guess yes. Okay. Must my idea have to outside rule? I want to say again, if you remember these two ideas, you will almost always choose the correct one. Must your idea have to outside the rule? That's it. Very easy. That's it, very easy. Okay. Do you have any question for me? If you have any question for me, I definitely answer your question, my students, Okay, I will wait for your answer. Do you want more times? Okay. Sounds good. I will say again, must my idea have to outside the rule? Okay. Do you have any question for me again? You have no questions? See you another lecture, another lesson. And take care of yourself. Don't forget to do your responsibilities. Okay, see you.